works for both of our schedules, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't know. Is Miss Stewart? I don't have her on the screen. Is she in?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You don't see me?
Yes.
I'm
Well, I
sorry.
do now. Once
Okay.
you started talking. Ma'am, do you believe that there's a dispute on custody, support, or parenting time?
So we did talk about 2 nights a week with the underlying issue that his son is being charged with.
Okay. Mr. Swift, I'll start with you. This is a scheduling conference, and that's where the court attempts to put into place various dates and procedures so that the case proceeds in an orderly fashion. I guess I'll ask you first, what issues do you believe are being contested or in dispute?
I have no problems, Your Honor. I would just like the 50-50 relationship with my daughters, and we agreed on 2 nights a week, every week overnight, works for both of our schedules, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't know. Is Miss Stewart? I don't have her on the screen. Is she in?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You don't see me?
Yes.
I'm
Well, I
sorry.
do now. Once
Okay.
you started talking. Ma'am, do you believe that there's a dispute on custody, support, or parenting time?
So we did talk about 2 nights a week with the underlying issue that his son is being charged with CSC in the first degree. I want it in the papers that his son is nowhere around our daughters ever.
Okay. Okay. Well, my first question was, is there an agreement on those 3 issues, custody, support, parenting time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, Miss Stewart, from Miss Stewart's standpoint, I don't know.
I'm in agreement if he's okay with the paper stating it is not to be allowed around Swift.
Okay. Sir, what's your response with that?
I don't agree with that, Your Honor. The case is still ongoing. They are not around each other at the moment, but until that case goes back to court, um, they even said that they're allowed to be around each other, but it's not. It shouldn't happen, and of course it doesn't. But until that matter gets resolved, um, I feel that that shouldn't be an issue.
Okay, maybe you feel that way, sir. I'll tell you that it's not before the court today for the scheduling conference, but if Miss Stewart filed a motion to enjoin that, I would follow that. I would not allow an individual that's charged with CSC first to be around other children.
All right. Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Just so you know that. And obviously that's not before me today, but just so you know, because it might stave off having to have motions and all of that stuff. She sounds like she's in agreement with the exception of that particular issue. So what I'm going to do is, this case is early on, I'm going to put it over for about 30 days. That way, at this point, if we have an agreement, if you can work out an agreement in the next 30 days, you're going to need to, Mr. Swift, because you are the plaintiff, you are going to have to prepare that order. So you'd have to prepare it, addressing the issues of custody, support, parenting time, and whatever you can agree upon, and put that in the order. And at this particular point, if you put in that prohibition on the child being around the other ones, then at that point, sounds like we would be able to get the matter resolved. If not, at that particular point, then we can put the matter down as a contested matter, and then we can proceed as a contested case. Okay?
Okay.
So, Ms. Stewart, with that direction, I guess, I'll just ask Mr. Swift, yeah, you'll have to prepare a judgment of custody support parenting time. Then you'll have to prepare a child support order, a uniform child support order, and then a judgment information form, those 3 documents. If you are going through a service such as MichiganLegalHelp.org, they would have those forms on file. You just have to get in and register and then get those prepared. So, and you may want to wait in the interim to see what happens with regard to the other case. But if you get those done now,
Sir, I have a question. I'm sorry. I'm the one taking care of the kids. He doesn't have any overnights right now.
Okay,
I guess
how's that change what I've said?
So I have to fill out these papers. Is that what
No,
I was just confused.
ma'am. I said that the plaintiff, because he's the plaintiff, he has to prepare the paperwork.
Okay.
He would prepare the paperwork. He would send it to you. If you agree, you sign it, return it to him, and then we would be able to get the matter completed, down the line. We still have some waiting period, but we'd be able to get it completed.
Okay. Sorry, I was confused. I'm
No, that's fine. But he'll have to prepare the paperwork, send it to you, you approve it, you sign it all, send it back to him, and then he will file it with the court, and we'll be able to get the matter completed. If you don't agree, and I'm not saying you have to agree to anything, if either of you don't agree to everything, then the matter will just proceed as a contested case, and we'll end up at some point having a trial on it, and then everybody will be able to present your witnesses. But what we'll do is we'll set this over for about 30 days, have you back at that time, see what the progress is being made. And if we don't have an agreement at that point, then I will do a scheduling order and put in place all those dates and everything that have to be complied with.
okay.
Okay. Anything else, Ms. Stewart?
No.
Mr. Swift, anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. We'll let you go today. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.
Too.